All right, so today I'm going to be building a Solitaire application with Flutter. Doesn't look like my screen is up on the stream, so I'm going to go ahead and just make sure. That's not right. Okay, there it is. So what we're just going to be doing is writing out everything that I think it needs. So just to start, I think we're going to do the Flutter card UI. And I'll break down all of this as I go through it. But basically, we're going to need playing cards. And there's already a plugin with Flutter that allows you to just have playing cards, so you don't have to make them yourself. But all the values and everything is already associated with it. So definitely going to use that. The logic, I'm going to see real quick if I can find a Spider Solitaire logic. Let's see if we can find an article. Is NP complete? No. Am I tripping? Is it? It is Spider Solitaire, right? No, I won't do it. What is this? This is like some weird... Oh, that's Spade Solitaire. Spider Solitaire. I might be tripping. Okay, so it's one suit Spider Solitaire. So actually this will be a cool demonstration. So this is how it's eventually gonna work. So you stack it. So 3 can go 4, 5 can go on 6, 4 can go on 5, and you just keep building it out like this. Queen can go on the king. Now there's a lot of 2s. So I think that's everything. And then you're basically, when you click this, it adds an entire stack to this deck. So now like this jack and queen is good. This king here can take the queen. We move this 9 on the 10 and this 10 on the jack. Basically, you're just building out stacks like this. And you keep doing that until all the cards are gone. So let's see if I can quickly move the 6. Can this 2 go anywhere? No, but basically once it's an empty space, you can move it around, and then once you get a full stack, it will... Okay, let's do this. Oh, wait. Can't. I'm just seeing if I can bum rush it so that we can get to 1. Okay. So really no 8. Okay, well, I suck at this game, but my wife's really good. So, but basically that's how it works. There's just this stack and then you build out stuff. So that's what we're going to be coding today. Not the whole thing, not even close to the whole thing. We're just going to get started. So I need to figure out the logic. But really, I think the steps you can really just display the card. I need to display 6 rows. Okay. Oh. That's actually pretty cool. That also sounds really hard. So we're going to stick with just one suit and go from there. So let's go back into that Spider Solitaire. Yeah, let's do a new game. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's 10 with, so 5, and the first 4 have 6. So let's just get the rules. Ten rows. Once we have the 10 rows, and let's just make sure I remember the rules. So 6. So first 4 have 6. Six have 5, and then all we gotta do is conceal the cards. And then honestly, by that point, we're pretty much done with the game. We'll have to have the deck button. And then it's just game logic. So really, in the game, of course, the game logic is going to be the hardest part, right? No getting around that. But might not be terrible. The reason I'm doing this, I was going to make it for my wife. She loves this game, but the one that she plays just has like a ridiculous amount of ads. Like, it's so annoying. It's so crazy. I don't know how she still plays it, but she loves it. And so building her one without ads would be awesome. And then also maybe kind of customizing it. And we're going to do a heart. And I think there's some just thinking through the game in my mind, I think there's some shortcuts that we can take that'll be pretty helpful. So first one, we never have to check if it's a complete row, like if we get rid of that column, unless the card being moved is a 1. So so that's like the first thing. Unless it's a 1, then it can't be a complete deck, so you never need to check. If the top card is a king, actually before that, because the first thing that needs to happen is you have to check if the move is valid. So if top card, if so basically, like if there is a king, the only valid move, the only card that you could move onto there that would be valid would be a queen, right? Because it's king -1. Same thing with a 10. If a 10 is in the deck, the only thing that you can move on that would be valid is a 9. And I guess 1 never has. That should be obvious. Just trying to think of edge cases as I kind of piece this together in my mind. So top is king and bottom is 1. Okay, so if the top card is a king and the bottom card is a 1, no, that won't always be true. It won't be true because it can't be true, or it couldn't be true because if you shuffled it on, then basically you could have like a king, and then when you deal the next deck, you could have a 2 and then put a 1 on it, and it would say, oh, valid all the way up. So, okay. And I think that's pretty much it. So before, without really wasting too much time, I do want to just get started. So I'm gonna go in to Android Studio. So I want a new Flutter project. and I'll call it and everything should be enabled. So I want this on Windows, on web, on Mac OS, on Linux, on iOS, and Android. And then create project offline. Nope, don't need that. I don't know what that is. Yep, application. So that should be everything. So we're just going to finish that and then put it in this window because. Okay. So now we have an application, and I'll go ahead and so maybe it's better if I actually add a window capture. Okay. So I'm going to show the phone, but I'm going to move it off. Okay. Okay, so we got that. I don't know why it's huge in the background, but we'll just keep pressing. So we got text. It looks like it's pretty visible. So I'm just gonna press. So right now we already have a technically working application, and I'll go ahead and show you that. It's going to be a basic clicker. I'll put it here. Okay, and that did not work. Okay. All right, and while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and delete most of this. So we'll keep the scaffold. Okay. So now it's pretty much a clean app. You know what I might actually do? Is push this to GitHub. So there is a starter application that people can use. I'll go ahead and move this over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete everything. Just delete that. Okay. Flutter Solitaire, theme data, material data. Int counter, increment counter, none of this matters. Okay. So pushing this to GitHub is kind of dumb, I guess, but I'm going to do it because I want to be able to help people and let them code along. So give me 1 second while I do that. Okay, public. I guess I can show all of this. Oh. Don't want sturdy chainsaw. Okay. So I am going to have to refigure out how to do this. I've been using GitLab, so now I'm just like... All right. All right, time to watch a Code Academy video.
My name is Maggie. I am a web and graphic designer from the Philadelphia area. In this video, we are going to learn how to push code to GitHub. In this video, we are going to cover GitHub as a tool to manage our web design projects. We're also going to take a look at how we go about pushing our code to GitHub. Before we go further, let's talk about GitHub. What is GitHub? GitHub is a version control system. We can work on projects, and GitHub will keep track of all of the different versions of this project. We've all experienced working on projects where we have folder after folder after folder of different versions. GitHub will do this for us. GitHub is a public GitHub.
Okay.
It's a great way to track our code base, to share and collaborate, as well as to save our process and go back to earlier points. Let's try it out. Sugar is an interactive web project on Code Academy's platform. Now that I work through this project, I have taken the files HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. I have created a global folder on my computer with code. I can see the path to this project on my computer. Let's take a quick look at the project. The goal of this game is to not choose the door with the drop. Now I'm going to take this project, the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and push this code to a repository on GitHub. I open GitHub, I make sure that I'm all logged in, and I begin by creating a new repository. I hit the +sign and select new repository.
Did I not get that? Am I just dumb?
And now repository, working with the terminal. Step 2, we open the terminal. We come to step 3. Here, we are going to set our local project as our directory. We type TWD. This will find and locate the directory. I change my directory. I type CD, and then I specify the folder where my project is located. Next, I will type ls. This will list the files that are inside of this folder. Step 4, I initialize my local directory as a Git repository. I type git init and hit return.
Okay.
In step 5, I'm going to add files in my local folder to my Git repository. I'm saving the files for the first commit. I type git add period. This will add all of the files inside of that folder. I'm going to type git status and hit return. I will now see all of the files that I have staged for.
Okay. Nope. Oh my gosh. I guess that's fair, yeah.
Commit. Now let's commit files from our local repository. We type git commit -m, and inside of quotation marks I type first commit. Now we need to specify remote repository.
Of course.
URL. So we come back to our GitHub repository git page and we copy the URL. In step 8, we'll add the URL for the remote repository. We do this by typing the following: git remote add origin, and we paste the URL.
-m. We'll call this like supposed to be in quotes, isn't it?
I now can push code in my local
I need to find the link.
repository to GitHub. I type the following: git push -u origin master. I hit return. Now I will
Okay. So just pushed it to get, and I think if I reload, okay. And now I want to do, nope, hold on. Check, check, chickadee check. Yeah. Let's see. Okay, so now we've got the master and we've got the starter. So I think that all we need to do now is just start installing stuff. So next step is going to be putting a card on the screen. For that, we're going to be using the Flutter playing cards. This is a Flutter package, so let's go ahead and just install it. Okay. So we're just going to go into the pub spec, scroll down to where it says dependencies. And that's weird. Okay. Then we're going to do pub get. Then we're going to get dependencies. Final step is just to import this package. And it's warning because it's not used. So what we're going to do is title, body, we're just going to add a playing card in the middle of the screen. Let's just go through the README real quick. Getting started, import, playing card view, 9 of clubs. Here's an example of a fully styled deck. Suit style, builder context, fitted box, emoji. So this is actually what I need. And then this container. Deck map, playing card view. Style my card style to list. Suit value. So that should be a card, right? Am I crazy? If I can just get one card to print, I'll be good. What does this do? We're mapping. Oh, playing card view. I'm like stumbling through this. Hey yo, we got ourselves a card. um, so that is so bad. But let's just see. Okay, let's just see. So there's a show back. Where's my card styles? Ah. Okay, they do have a YouTube video, but do you actually have to put that in though? Let me see in the YouTube video if it covers just a standard deck of cards.
Hi guys, it's John, and I just wanted to tell you about this new package we published called Playing Cards. This package is for rendering playing cards, as you might have guessed. The idea is that it just provides a very simple way to render pretty nice playing cards right out of the box. You can also render cards as big as you want, and they will expand. This is a little out of control here, but you can do what you want to. You can also style the cards. So if you wanted to, this is Mark Scorsese with the cactus. You can do SpongeBob stuff, or you can do women and competing, or Russian stars. Very easy style cards, use create style object, and then you can go ahead and use it for all your cards. Simple stuff. And lastly, we just provide a widget that allows you to stack the cards in what we refer to as a flat fan. So
Okay, so then I guess what I have to do is actually map the playing card view with oh, here we go. Playing card view has a playing card. No, I need it actually from this because we're mapping a deck. But it says my card styles. Okay, so it is what I was thinking. Playing card with a suit. I think this is how you do it. Deck 0.suit. It just doesn't have the freaking spades. Let's see. Suit, heart. Wait, let me read this example. So, is playing card view style override scaffold column. Okay, playing card view. So this is a menu. Okay, so that's not as helpful as how did I do it? I'm about to voyage back into one of the first apps I ever made. If I can only remember what it's called. Oh, flash memory. That's what it was called. Okay. And let's just see. Okay. Playing card deck. I think that's the same, right? Standard 52 card deck. Okay. Pages. Learn cards. So let's see. Widget.cards, which is a deck. So then why is... So then that shouldn't be... I should be able to just say... And it should be a 2. Yeah. So let me try to save that. Maybe if I just run it again, sometimes that works. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we got what we wanted. So thanks. Thanks for struggling through that with me.